Hello, my friends. So, I have an exclusive listing and I want to talk to you a little bit about it. So, it's located, closest intersection is going to be Victoria Park and Eglinton. And it's a 5 bedroom with one downstairs, two washrooms, two kitchens. But a lot of people don't know what an exclusive listing is. So I thought I'd share a little bit more about it here. An exclusive listing is a property that is an exclusive listing is a property that has not hit MLS. So it is for sale, it is on the market, but it's not really widely publicized. Mind you, this um, Mind you, this listing is only exclusive for now. So, very simply, it's one of those things that if a buyer comes about and wanted to make an offer, they could. So, if you or anyone you know is interested in a detached Toronto, if you or anyone you know is interested in a detached Toronto property, let me know. They have a chance to get it before it actually hits the market. So once again, it's on Victoria Park. It's a 5 bedroom with one in the basement, two kitchens, two washrooms, and it is technically for sale, just not on MLS as of yet. Contact me if you're interested.